Good morning, everyone. It's 6:26 a.m. on a Thanksgiving long weekend here in Toronto, Ontario. Or maybe the folks who want to pick up a little bit, GTA, west of Toronto. And it's a bit of a damp kind of morning. Looks like it rained in the early morning hours. The roads are a little bit wet, and I'm heading with a group of a big group, I would say. I've never ridden with them before, but they're pretty well-known group here in the west of Toronto, but a lot of riders are from east, west, north, different areas of Toronto riding with us today. And we are going to Muskoka, Ontario. So another beautiful ride, I would say, to witness the beautiful fall colors. And that is why we are heading to Muskoka, Haliburton. And the trip was planned by my good friend, who I did mention in the last ride as well, Umar. And he's the one who has mapped out the whole trip. As you can see, this is my route on the screen, and it's going to take us about a good 11 to 12 hours, both ways. So we're meeting at 7 o'clock at our usual Tim Hortons. Being Canadian, right? We always meet at Tim Hortons, yeah. So that's where we're meeting, and then we head down straight to Highway 400. There is a en route right before Barrie. That's where our stop is, where all the riders from east, west, north, everyone's meeting up there, and that is where we'll probably split into two groups. One group with riders who like to ride a little bit faster, and the other one will be a little bit, the one that go on a normal pace. And the reason is also because it's a very big group, so we like to separate, make it into two, or I would say, they have decided to make it into two, so everyone, we're able to ride in more comfortable rather than, waiting for almost 20 riders to follow each other. So without further ado, let's get started. My next sort of update, will be while I'm in Barrie, because on the route I've shown you a few times how the ride is. Not to mention, you probably noticed I'm riding my 2021 BMW R1250GS Adventure on today's trip, and this is probably my longest trip on the GS Adventure as well. I've never ridden more than, I would say, 350-400 kilometers per day. The bike doesn't have that many kilometers as well, about 1,500 kilometers. So this will be one of the longest trips for 700-800 kilometers to test today, and see how the GS performs and how I like it. So I'll definitely keep you posted on that as well along the route. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in a bit. So we are almost 5 hours into the ride. Just stopped up by this place called Black Bridge to take some pictures and videos here. What a beautiful place. Look at the nice leaves on the ground, some nice fall colors, and beautiful place, beautiful time of the year to be here and enjoy. Wow, nice river flowing, great bridge. All the guys are there. Here's my GS, looking messy and dirty, but I guess that's what it's for, right? So let's hop on and start riding with the group. chilly. I have my heater grips and seats on, waiting for the rest of the group to join us. The sign said twisty railroads for the next 2 to 3 kilometers. So I'm assuming will be a fun road to ride on. The fun begins here. Trying to be a little bit careful. Wet leaves in fall weather. Beautiful. Not the ideal way to speed and ride on. Also, the road conditions don't look that great, but the weather is absolutely nice. Been raining on and off, which is not that great, but it is what it is. When you're out there to ride and enjoy the colors, it's always a good thing. So from here we are going to head on to Highlands now, and from there some of the road folks who want to come back will probably ride back home. The others will continue on to the trip further. Plan is to be back home expected around 6-7 p.m. today evening, but with the large group I expect some more delays to be there, which is normal. I'm riding with this group for the first time, so just getting to know them. Great bunch of nice riders who enjoy riding and share the same passion for riding. Maybe you can see them in my rear view mirror here. But an absolutely nice day to ride. It's gloomy, but you know what, the temperature is not that bad. It's 18 degrees, not that cold. And if you're dressed right for the weather, look at this view. Absolutely stunning. Enjoy the view while I catch you guys on the next stop, which will be in Highlands. Not to forget, I'm doing pretty great with the gas. I have about 230 kilometers. This bike gives me about 600 kilometers on a full tank, so not concerned about that part. We'll probably be stopping soon, but that's about it, guys. Enjoy the view. I'll see you at the next stop. So we stopped by this stunning place. Look at the view here. Absolutely gorgeous view for a photo shoot. Extremely, oh, I wouldn't say extremely, but slippery. Yeah, so slippery road. All the bikers in the back, and what a place to stop. Small road of about 5 kilometers. Like I said, still at the same place. We haven't arrived at Halliburton yet, but yeah, why not? 4 kilometers, no exit, and it's another twisties. Wow, a road in a road. It's more like a snake road. So Highway 118 is what we are riding on right now, and this is the highway that takes us to Halliburton. That twisted road that you saw was just in the back, so it connects from Highway 118 and then basically reconnects you back after 5 kilometers of all the twisties. So pretty interesting road, but look at this beautiful scenic trees. The funny thing, what I always wonder is our cameras cannot capture what we see from our naked eyes, and that's a blessing, that nothing can compare to what we can see from our eyes. But beautiful roads, twists and turns. This is a Highway 118 if anyone is looking to come down and enjoy some beautiful fall colors. A lot of cops on the road today due to Thanksgiving long weekend. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying this view. I thought to bring you all along with me today to enjoy some colors around Muskoka, Halliburton. We will be coming back again. Me and Omar are riding back on, not this one, but very similar to this route on Wednesday. So we're going to Algonquin, which is not too far. It's if you look at if you ask me, I would say it's a neighborhood of this region. We're not too far from, but we decided to come and ride on Wednesday. So in a couple of days, we'll definitely be, riding there. But beautiful road, worth riding and enjoying. We have a female fellow rider with us as well today, who's in front of me, and right in front is Omar, then her, then me, then the others are at the back. What a day to be out. Anyone of you have been here or ride around here in Ontario, feel free to let me know in the comments below if you've been on Highway 118 or around these areas, and maybe of some places where which I have missed and I should ride on. So maybe that's for next time on my to ride list. And if you haven't, then this should be on your to ride list if you are in Ontario or coming down here this year, next year, whenever you are.